Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing today? You're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. Now in today's video I'm going to be showing you an amazing drink that would actually help you to gain some healthy weight. Alright, so there are some people who are very lean and they want to gain weight. There are some people who want to lose weight. So this particular video is for those people who actually want to gain weight and be healthy. Okay, so let me take you right into this video so I could show you all of the nutritious ingredients to help you gain some healthy weight and avoiding those annoying belly fat. Okay, let's go. All right guys, so you want to gain weight and you want to gain some healthy weight, and you want this weight to be deposited at the right places that you are going to be satisfied. Therefore means that you're going to gain weight at your back side. You're not going to have any weight on your belly because this is an healthy weight gaining drink. So my very first ingredient is this, and this is sweet potato. Okay, so sweet potato is an amazing food that helps you gain a whole lot of weight, okay, and it makes you stay healthy and it equally keep you young. Okay, so if you do this a whole lot, you're going to be seeing the improvement of gaining weight. Like, you're literally going to be healthy as well, and you're going to see that the weight you're going to be gaining is going to look really healthy and it's not going to be too much. Okay, so what we're going to do first is that we're going to be washing this, yeah, and I'm gonna go ahead to cook this and I would be right back. So this is my cooked potato. When it is cooked, it looks just like this, yeah. So I'm gonna be cutting it, and I'll be needing just a little because when you're taking sweet potato, it actually fills the mouth a whole lot, and just like the name says, sweet potato, it is actually sweet, yeah. So I'm going to be cutting it this way so that it can blend very well. Alright guys, so the very next ingredient which we need to gain weight is gonna be banana. Now, okay guys, so we're going to be needing this because you need some healthy fat, some healthy weights, yeah. So you can take as much banana as you want. I just took one because I actually do not need this too much. I'm actually just making 1 glass, yeah. So I'm gonna be putting enough water so that it won't be looking too thick, yeah. So now I would have to be blending it. Okay guys, so this is it, and it's actually creamy, and that's actually what we want. Okay, so I'm gonna be keeping that aside, and then also we'll be needing milk. Now for you to gain a whole lot of healthy weight, you need some milk in your weight gaining drink, guys. You need a whole lot of milk. Now it has to be creamy milk, so I'm gonna be pouring this milk in here, and your girl is gonna be stirring it really well. guys, this is an healthy fat gaining drink. Okay, so we're gonna be keeping that aside, and then we're going to be preparing the very last ingredients for this, okay, which is peanut. You can call it peanut or granite. Now I would recommend you use the fresh granite because some ladies actually react to fried granite, but when you're using fresh granite, you're not going to react. It's not going to bring out pimples on your face. Okay, so that's why I would recommend you use fresh granite. So I'm gonna be washing it, and then I would have to be blending it also. Okay guys, so this is it, and this is how it looks like. And now you can decide to strain it, or you can decide to use it this way. So now I'm gonna be turning my creamy granite juice into the cup, and then I'll stir. Alright guys, so this is it. Drink this every morning and every evening. It's an healthy gaining weight drink, and this will actually help you gain a whole lot of healthy weight, and you're going to stay fit, stay strong, and stay healthy. And you're literally going to be gaining those good weight at the right places, okay, which is your back and your fronts, and that's what we ladies want. So go ahead and try this. I am drinking this because I can't wait. The ingredients in here are so yummy and I love it. So try this twice a day and you're not going to regret you did. Okay, so let's go. So that's it guys, go give this drink a go. Try this out, and the drink is very delicious. It smells good and it tastes good and also look good. And this is actually going to help you to deposit those fats at the right places, and you are literally going to be happy with your result. All right, so just like I said initially, you would have to repeat this more than once. Okay, so it's not something you have to do only once and say, oh, it didn't work. No, you have to be consistent in this, and you have to give it time to also work out. Okay, so I'll see you again in my next video. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. And then bye.